In this video, we're going to cover how we can create mesh or MANET networks with different radio settings within the same network. For this example, I'll be using templates to get the settings of my radios. The settings of the Heltec Mesh Tower template can be seen within the radio settings on the left-hand side. We don't necessarily need to use template, as anything within these settings will be used in the nodes in the MANET network. This network is being designed in the Lake District in the UK. To start planning out the network, I'm going to use the MANET tool and click on areas where we have fixed sites for the Mesh Tower V2 to be located. To show the coverage of these two nodes, I'm going to press the Show Heat Map button in the MANET toolbar. This has shown me that there's a large gap of coverage along Ullswater Lake, which I can use the Heltec V3s to create a link between the two nodes at either end. To switch to the Heltec V3, I'm going to change my template to the Heltec V3. I can now place down additional nodes in order to create a complete network. By using the right mouse key, nodes can be selected to show the parameters associated with them. By doing this, we can see that we have different radio settings for different nodes, but using a shared frequency. The MANET tool also allows for different antennas to be used within the same network. For this new node, I'm going to select a high directional antenna . For the next node, I'm going to select a omnidirectional antenna. I'm now going to place this node into the main beam of the directional antenna. As this node moves into the side lobes, we can see how the SNR updates respectively. Just like the previous example, we can use the right mouse key to see the parameters of each radio, including the antenna. This functionality also applies to nodes brought in via the MANET import feature. Using the MANET import tool, I'm importing in the locations of radios corresponding to the current settings on the left-hand side. I'm doing this quite quickly using the template function as described earlier in the video. This workflow is great for modeling large networks quickly and easily. Again, we can use the right mouse key to investigate nodes and look at what parameters they're using. To keep up to date with all the newest features in CloudRF, please subscribe to this channel.